Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a credit option for those who are looking to build credit. This is a Toyota credit card. Now, if you're new to my channel, I try to bring you information on how to improve your credit score no matter where you are on your credit journey, and also how to bring information on leveraging lines of credit to make income. Now, with this Toyota credit card, they are offering a soft pull qualification. So, what pre-qualification? So, if you're not familiar with the pre-qualification process, what happens is these companies are looking for your business. Credit card companies definitely need your business because they make money primarily off of interest. Now, instead of you just aimlessly going around applying for different credit cards and causing hard inquiries that will decrease your credit score. And also, even if you have a good credit score, if you have too many hard inquiries, you can be denied for credit. So I always talk about, I had a client with a 740 credit score and he had 11 hard inquiries and could not get approved for virtually anything. If you have that problem and you have a lot of hard inquiries, go to my website. You can download our free hard inquiry removal package, and you can download it instantly. So if you do have that problem, go there. Also, if you have personal questions for me, go to my website. I always leave the link in the description of the video and pin it at the comment section, and your personal questions will go directly to my cell phone. Be careful of scammers in the comments section because they're using my picture. Make sure you click on my picture and make sure the subscriber count matches the count on this channel. Now, one of the primary ways, if your score is under a 700 credit score, to improve your credit, to get an increase in your credit score on average, with some of the clients I had by 49 points, is by adding a unsecured revolving line of credit. That is a credit line or a credit card. So with this card that they're offering, it is a store card. So you cannot use this card like a Visa card, logo card. They actually do have a Toyota credit card with a Visa option, but that is not a soft pull pre-qualification. So with this soft pull pre-qualification, you get the benefit to see if you fit in the company's profile or description that they're looking for. And then if you pre-qualify, you can pull the trigger. Always remember, anytime you pull the trigger on a pre-qualification, it is not guaranteed, and it is always going to result in a hard inquiry if you apply for the application. But adding this line of credit onto your credit report or score can increase your score, like I said, of 49 points. If you're already a person that has some trouble payment history, making positive payments will also help balance down late payment history. Now, this is letting you know you can pre-qualify without impacting your credit score. So you can actually obtain this and use this as a primary trade line. So this primary revolving trade line, which is like a credit card, will report to all three major credit bureaus, because the bank that is issuing this card for Toyota will be Community Bank. Now, with Community Bank, they have for the store card a lower standard. So you can get in with a 640 credit score, and they will be pulling from Equifax or Experian. Community could use either or. So make sure you check those scores. But the majority of people reporting for this is going to be Equifax, leaning towards Equifax. So what you can do is come here and quickly see if you pre-qualify, especially if you are somebody who is trying to build credit and you're trying to, if you had trouble credit in the past, trying to find a easier approval option, this would be great for you. If you're a person with prime credit, a real good credit score, this might not be the way that you may go, but for somebody that's building credit, this is a great option to see if they can qualify. So hopefully what I'm going to do for you guys is put this link in the description of this video. See if you pre-qualify for this, if you're interested in building your credit. And by doing so, once you get the pre-qual, decide if you want to pull the trigger. If you do and actually get this line of credit, make sure you let it report to your credit report before you apply for any additional credit, because you should see an increase in your credit score. Always remember, you guys, it's all goes on what's reporting on your credit profile. If you had recent late payments, recent collections, recent negative items, I would wait a period of time of really applying for anything, you guys. So always keep that in mind. If you know you got a ton of hard inquiries, deal with that first before you start pulling the trigger on credit cards at any time. So hopefully this is helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.